Okay, magandang hapon sa inyo mga bata. Today, i-discuss natin ang divisibility rule by 4 and 8. So, pero bago ang lahat, huwag kakalimutan, like and subscribe para hindi kayo ma-iwan sa mga bago nating videos. Okay, so ang first natin is divisibility by 4. So, how will you know that a number is divisible by 4? Ito yun. Okay. So, sabi doon, a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4 or 0, 0. So, sabi in Tagalog, so if the last two digits is divisible by 4 or 0, 0 or a double 0, kapag ang number daw ay nagtatapos sa 4 sa dalawang 0 or divisible sa 4. So, that number is divisible by 4. Example, you have 864. So, sabi, last two digits. So, ang titingnan lang natin is yung last two digits, which is 64. So, ang 64 ba ay divisible by 4? So, i-divide natin. 64 divided by 4. So, we have 1, 4, 24, 6, 24, 0. So, that means, ang 64 ay divisible by 4. So, that means, si 864 is divisible by 4. Another one, if you have 2,200, example. So, 2,200. So, automatic, makikita natin sa last two digits, dalawang 0. Ayan, dalawang 0, diba? So, dalawang 0, that is divisible by 4. Another example, 698. So, last two digits again tayo, 98. Si 98 ba divisible by 4? So, tingnan natin. 98 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4 is 2. So, 8. Subtract 1. 8. Bring down 8, no? And 80 divided by 4 is 4. 16, subtract 2. So, may remainder tayong 2. So, that means, si 98 ay hindi divisible by 4. So, that means, si 698 is not divisible by 4. Kasi yung 98 niya, hindi siya, meron siyang remainder na natira. Another example, we have 14,000. No? 14,000. So, last two digit again, nagtatapos sa dalawang itlog. So, kapag dalawang itlog, ang ending, automatic, divisible siya by 4. So, again, don't forget, divisibility by 4, ang titingnan lang natin ay yung last two digits. Kapag divisible by 4, check yon. Kapag dalawang 0, check yon. Go. Now, punta naman tayo sa divisibility by 8. Okay, yung divisibility by 4 and by 8 ay almost the same. Okay, meron lang konting pagkakaiba. Divisibility by 8, eto yon. Okay, so ang divisibility by 8, sabi dyan, kung kay 4 ay last 2 digit, ang tinitingnan natin. So, kay 8, last 3 digits. Okay, if the last 3 digits is divisible by 8 or yan, 3 zeros. Kung kay 4, dalawang 0, kay 8, 3 zeros. Yan. Tsaka, okay, example. Let's say you have 4,864. So, titingnan natin, sabi, last 3 digits. Okay, last 3 digits, 864. Divisible ba siya by 4? By 8, sorry. Divisible ba siya by 8? So, 8 divided by 8, 1. 8. Bring down 6, 0. Bring down 4. 64 divided by 8, that is 8. 64 and 0. So, that means si 4,864 is divisible by 8. Okay? So, another example, you have, let's say, 46,000. Automatic, tatlong 0 na nasa dulo. Automatic, divisible siya by 8. Sabi ko nga, kay 4, dalawang 0. Kay 8, 3 zeros. Last 3 digit tayo. Okay? Okay, another example. Let's say 2,958. So, divisibility by 8. Last 3 digit again. So, si 958 ba ay divisible by 8? So, 9 divided by 8. So, always remember yung ating rule sa pagdi-divide, ha? D, M, S, B. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So, 9 divided by 8 is 1. Multiply, subtract, 1. Then, bring down. Divide ulit. So, 15 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract tayo. Bring down 8. Then, divide ulit. 78 divided by 8 is 9. So, 9 times 8, 72. Multiply. Subtract ulit. 6. Bring down. Wala na. So, that means meron tayong remainder na 6. So, si 2,958 is not divisible by 8. Kasi may remainder na natira. Next example. Let's say you have 29,400. So, last 3 digits, titingnan natin. So, 400 divided by 8. So, say 400 ba ay divisible by 8? 40 divided by 8, 5. 40, bring down 0. Okay, so that means divisible siya by 8. So, that's all for now. Thank you for watching my channel. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like.